Hey guys, what's up? Today Akash on SpaceR project here brings a very fresh episode of Space News. And the first update is about the BFR system of Musk, and he discussed more technical details about the BFR system designed to take people to Mars and on point-to-point trips on Earth, but he didn't discuss financing of the system. And in this discussion, Musk said that spaceship portion of the BFR, which would transport people on point-to-point suborbital flights or on missions to the moon or Mars, will be tested on Earth first in a series of short hops. Musk also does changes in the Raptor engine, and which will be powered by methane and liquid oxygen, and that will power both the booster and the spaceship element of the BFR system. Are you interested in the gravitational waves? And if yes, the LIGO scientists, within the 20 months of the first confirmed detection of gravitational waves and merely 2 weeks after winning the Nobel Prize, have made yet another interstellar revelation. They announced the first ever direct observation of gravitational waves emerging from the merger of two neutron stars. The previous detections were ripples caused by black hole mergers. These neutron stars merged in a galaxy called NGC 4993, located about 130 million light years from Earth in a constellation of Hydra. Black hole mergers are not expected to produce any EM radiations or light, meaning they cannot be detected by conventional telescopes. In contrast, binary neutron star mergers have long been expected to produce an energetic explosion and a plume of radioactive material generating light, but have never previously been detected. These mergers provide important clues as to how matter behaves under these extreme conditions. So now gravitational waves have been directly detected, and we are also hoping a new video on this topic very soon on the channel. So stay tuned. Do you love physics spinners? Of course you would love. And have you ever wondered what a physics spinner would do in the space? How it will spin? Well, trust NASA to be one step ahead of us. ISS Expedition 53 Commander Randy Brasnick actually carried a physics spinner to the ISS to see how it would spin in a zero gravity. Brasnick took the device and gave it a spin in the normal way, but that's when it goes to interesting. As soon as the spinner was released, it began to float around as it spun. That's not all, it even spun around itself in some sort of triple spin with no sign of slowing down. This is quite interesting to see how it does. He just uploaded a video of it on his Twitter handle. You can check. The next update is Bigelow-ULA, the United Launch Alliance, and these announced plans for lunar orbiting facility and an illustration of the proposed lunar depot using a Bigelow Aerospace B330 module and launched by ULA using its Vulcan rocket and ACES upper-stage. And the company said that they're working together on a concept of lunar depot using the expandable module provided by Bigelow and launched by a next generation ULA rocket that could support both NASA and commercial uses as soon as 2022. Under the concept, a ULA Vulcan 562 rocket would launch the Bigelow B330 module into low Earth orbit, and ULA would then launch two more Vulcan rockets, each placing an advanced cryogenic evolved stage upper stage in orbit. Okay, the other update is NASA, and it will be using its Hubble, the powerful gauge, to study the source of gravitational waves. And ever since the announcement of the first ever direct observation of gravitational waves caused by two neutron stars on Tuesday has sent the scientific realm buzzing with excitement. Unlike previously detected gravitational waves, these were accompanied by light, allowing astronomers to pinpoint the source. The discovery was made on August 17, and NASA's Hubble Space Telescope turned its keen eye by the beacon, obtaining both images and spectra. According to NASA, in a distant galaxy called NGC 4993, about 130 million light years from Earth, a point of light shone where nothing has been before. It was about 1,000 times brighter than a variety of stellar flare called a nova, putting it in a class of object astronomers called kilonovae. It also faded noticeably over 6 days of Hubble observations. The another update is about Europe, and it launched six Sentinel Earth observation satellites, which is a multi-billion euro Copernicus program to monitor volcanic ash and UV radiations. The Sentinel 5P satellite, part of a satellite of a system that is to monitor Earth, blasted off on board a rocket launcher from the Palestine Cosmodrome in Russia's northwestern Arkhangelsk region at 9:27 GMT. The Copernicus project is described by the European Space Agency as the most ambitious Earth observation program to date. The European Union and the ESA have committed funding of more than 8 billion euros to it until 2020. The launch of the Copernicus program became especially urgent after Europe lost contact with the Earth observation satellite NVSat in 2012 after 10 years. As per NASA report, a ninth planet might be there on the outer edge of our solar system. It is quite exciting. The existence of the ninth planet has been always speculated till now, but NASA believes that it does exist. As per NASA report, a ninth planet might be there on the outer edge of our solar system. Experts suggest that the planet's presence has been tilting the entire solar system to one side, and this gives them the clue that it does actually exist. As per estimation, it is believed to be about 10 times bigger than the planet Earth and 20 times further from the sun than the eighth planet Neptune. An expert at planetary astrophysics at the California Institute of Technology says there are now 5 different lines of observational evidence pointing to the existence of planet 9. It is quite interesting that if we find the ninth planet, how would be our solar system then? Till then, stay connected to us. Like like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share the video also. You can also